Hi, this is Beverly Mahone, your communications coach with another All Words Matter word of the day. April is Financial Literacy Month, so let's keep those financial words rolling. Prospectus. It is derived from the word prospect. Now, you would be considered a prospect for a company looking for financial investors. They would send you something called a prospectus, which is a guide outlining relevant information like who the CEO of the company is, how much they currently have in assets, and any other important information. They do this in order to get you to buy shares or bonds in their company. A prospectus. This has been your communications coach, Beverly Mahone, with another All Words Matter word of the day.